This new way of making money online is absolutely for beginners like you who spend a lot of time browsing different social media where your likes are just appreciated. Well, why not try this website where your likes are paid? Yes, you can get paid to like videos and make real money online in 2022. Just by liking different videos online, you can make easy money as a beginner. How would you like that? So if you're one of the millions of people who wish that their likes can be exchanged into money, well, your wish has just been granted, and I will make your journey on making money online even easier and simpler if you'll be with me until the end of the video. Take note, you're not required to have a specific skill or experience to earn, and you don't even have to take money out of your pocket because this is totally free and available to everybody anywhere in the world. This website will not make you a millionaire, but as beginners, this is the most fun and easy way to make money online in 2022. But before anything else, I would like to welcome you all to the Online Money Girl channel. I'm your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and latest tips on how to make money online regardless of background and expertise. If you're into that, please tap the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you'll always be in the loop with the latest money-making news. If there are some online earning opportunities from home that you would like us to feature, let me know in the comments because I appreciate those. Without further ado, let's begin and see how you can get paid to like videos. So the first step is to open your browser and search for this website. It's called rapidworkers.com, and it will take you to this page where you can see different services for their employers and workers. Just a quick trivia about this site, Rapid Workers is a crowdsourcing service that employs over 100,000 people. Their team assists individuals, small enterprises, and professionals in developing low-cost public relations and marketing campaigns to boost sales, improve rankings, and build backlinks, among other things. They combine workers and employers to save down on advertising and marketing costs while also giving money to regular people. So now, I want you to scroll down a bit and click this blue button that says Be a part of Rapid Workers now. By clicking this button, you will be able to see this page where some of your personal information is needed, like your name, email address, and password. After that, you need to verify that you're not a robot and tick this box for the terms and conditions. So right after you filled out everything, just click the Create My Account button below. Before clicking the Create My Account button, make sure that you read all the guidelines for your account to avoid being banned from the website. Going back to business, after you click that Create My Account button, they will automatically email you a verification code which is in a form of a link. So open your email and wait for the code. Once you receive the code, open it and click the link, and it should take you to their login page where you need to enter your email address and the password to verify your account. Once you're successfully logged in, it will take you to the dashboard where you can see a lot of information at the top of the screen, like your transaction history, login info, the different tasks you finished, all the available jobs, and you can even watch a tutorial video by clicking the tutorial button at the top of your screen. So as you scroll down, you can see different job names, the various countries they belong to, and most especially, the payment and the time that you will spend to earn the different rates. As you can see, you really have numerous options to choose from. But you might ask, where are the videos that we have to like for us to be paid? Well, you have to like this video first, smash that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell before I'm going to show you where it is located and how you can get paid just by liking videos online. So step 2 is click this white box here beside the job name at the top right of your screen, and I want you to type in YouTube and press enter. Once you hit enter, you will see several videos and what country they belong to. And as you scroll down, on the left side, you will see different rates and the duration of the videos. So here in this video, for example, you will earn $0.14. Here, you can earn $0.18. And here at the bottom, you can earn $0.25. As you can clearly see, the rates are totally varying depending on the country and the time of the video. So the third step is to click any of these videos and it will take you to another window like this. What you need to do is read the instructions carefully, and you have to do it completely to earn the corresponding rate. Most of the time, the instructions are watch the video, share, and like the video. So you might as well like and share this with your friends and keep watching till the end so you won't miss out on your chance to make fast and easy money online as a beginner in 2022. So whenever you're done with all the jobs you have to do in this particular video, they will guarantee to pay you the exact rate given. So the more videos you click and like, the more earnings you'll have. And the more likes that we will get from this video, the more opportunities to make money online we will give. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button now. So as easy as 1, 2, 3, you're able to earn real money. And take note, you can have more earnings depending on how many videos you watch and the time that you will give to seriously earn from this website. So please let us know in the comments below if you will be making money online by liking videos. If you found value in this video and would like to know more money-making hacks online, give us a huge thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the notification bell icon. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you and your time. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money-making video.